to the reading, the main activity in here. Basically, we're setting up again an intent filter because we're doing it in the foreground dispatch model. We create the pending intent filter. We grab the adapter just like we did before. We create our pending intent. We want it to be single top so we don't go create a bunch of these. But the intent filter is going to look a little bit different now. We created the intent filter for in-depth discovery, but we're also going to add some other stuff to it. We're going to add the scheme, so it's only HTTP, and we're going to add the data authority, which is the www.smartware.com, and then we're going to add to that the path as well. So this basically is anything at smartware.com. I could be more specific here. And basically, the level that I'm going here is that I'm being more explicit about what I want to receive. And the more explicit, as I said before, you are, the more, the higher priority you are in the dispatch model. So basically, that's the same basic thing. We're just creating a pending intent with our intent filter. We're when on resume, we're going to enable the foreground dispatch. We're going to check to see if they have NFC enabled. You don't have to pay attention to that, but. And then on pause, we're going to disable it. So that's all we really did. And then on new intent, we're going to get the actual intent when somebody taps that tag. So if our friend in the back there taps his tag, what we're going to do is get the actual tag, same way as we did before. This is going to get all the messages from that tag. So again, we're just grabbing this array of messages, and I'm just building an end-of message array out of that. And in this particular case, I'm going to go down and I'm going to cheat, and I'm just going to look for the first message, and then I'm going to cheat and go down and just grab the first character out of it, I think. Or the first record, yeah. So I grabbed just the first record here. So first message, first record, and grab its payload, and then I just display it. So it's no big deal. It's just going to grab the URL and display. So the point is, if you've read the tag, you parse the messages, you can go through and look at the individual records.